Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find a person username on Pinterest. Very often time the username is not the name of the profile, and so it's important for you to know the difference between the two and to be able to identify it. So whether you're on your home page or your explore page, wherever you come across a pin that you may like and you want to find the username of that person from that profile, just go ahead and click on any specific pin. So I'm going to choose this pin as an example. And from here, you want to scroll down and find the profile of the person. This is on the left hand side towards the bottom of the pin, and you want to click on the profile. Now from here, you will be taken over to the person profile. And as you can see, this one is Becca Eland. And this is the name of the profile. However, the username is this here, Becca Eland. So here you can find the username, and that's how you quickly find the username of a profile on Pinterest. Very easy and very simple. You can always take the username and you can always search anywhere on Pinterest. So if you go to explore, you can type in the username there and it's going to find the profile. You can click on the profile and that's it. Very easy and very simple.